Welcome back. Today we're gonna be dealing with two-way breech piece in a ventilation system. So they're telling us that this given view that we see here is symmetrical about the vertical center line. We're given that the scale of this is 1:2, so that means every number you see here on the drawing, you're gonna divide it by 2 when you draw. If it's 80, you're gonna make it a 40. If it's 180, it's gonna be 60. That's what is meant. So you're gonna draw a given view, which is quite a lot of marks. It's a 6 marks. You're gonna develop the shape of the template that required to form leg A of the ventilation system, and by the means of a radial line method. So I'm gonna explain to you how to draw this thing. Actually, this is a simple marks that you can get, and you can actually draw it fast to save more time for the difficult ones. Okay, I guess that's all we needed to know. Is from 2022 April question paper. Let's do it. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be dealing with a ventilation system here. So here is our given view. I'll read the given view just to save some time. So if there's anyone who is struggling to get the given view, mostly I can say they're wondering how did they get this line here. This line is 45 degrees. When you have already got this line, to come here you just take your ruler 45, you come to the center line, you do the same in here. When you start going to get these lines here, I don't know if there's anyone who is struggling to get the given view. If you're struggling to get a given view, comment in a section. I will do the video of a given view alone, how to get this given view. So now I want to show you how to develop the leg A. So there on the question paper they told us to develop this, the leg A. I cannot write A here because I'm still gonna use this. They ask us to develop this. Here we're gonna be using a radial method, even on the question paper to tell you that. So we're gonna start by doing a circle here. You just do a circle here, circle. Let's mark our 12 equal parts here. 12 equal parts. Whoever who doesn't understand, don't be afraid to comment in a section. Here we're gonna do a circle as well. And we do a 12 equal part here as well. So let's name it. I will start here by saying this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I can come back, say 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Marking is up to you. That's how I just prepare to mark my things. Even here I will say the small circle here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So now we're gonna take this equal parts that we have on a circle, on a big circle, up until it touches this line here. We just transfer it up. All of them, we're taking them up. Remember guys, I'm using a pen here, so
so that we can all see what I'm doing. If I were to use a pencil, no one was gonna see because it's not really visible enough, but you have to use a pencil. Yeah, we want to do the same here. Using a pencil, you don't make these lines visible like I do. They have to be fade. Here, you got it like this. Now we're gonna take these lines here, whatever line we have in here, you go like this point to this point, like small point, the point from a big circle to the small circle, just like that, just like that. Here we already have it is center. We come here again, this one it's gonna go like here. We want it on the center line. You can come up to here, but we actually want it on the circle, on the center line. And this one here, I'm just gonna do it fade, just like that. Remember, we have a center line here. Let me make it visible. We have a center line here. Now, to develop this, actually, if you can see, this is a cone, so you have to extend it, make it a cone, because of you need an apex. You need an apex where you will point your compass to draw this. So here, this is a cone. You can see this goes like this. So this is a cone. Now we got all we need here. We need to draw now. How are we gonna do this? All right. To do this, we're gonna start here. We're gonna start here on the apex. This is your apex. You check which side, because of working with this, which side is the smallest. That's where we're gonna start. This is the smallest. From here to here is the smallest. So you're gonna start here on the apex. You come here. You draw a line like that. I just hope I'm visible enough for you guys. Then the next thing, the next line, the next one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have space here. The next one, I think I'm gonna be out of space here. The next one, next, and the last. Now we come in this side. Yeah, we're doing the same things, just like that. Now we're not going here because of we want this part. We're only drawing this part, and this is center line here. So now we're gonna take from a center line here. We're gonna take from a center line. Yeah. I want anything here to be visible enough for you. We're taking from the center line on that side, and here we're gonna take here. Hope everyone is seeing where did I take this one here, because of now I don't know, I no longer have a center line. I'm taking here, and this one here as well. and the last one here. Okay, done. Now let's make our 12 equal part here. We're gonna start, because of we started on this on the shortest side, and my shortest side here I leveled it as a 6. So let me take it here. We're gonna need to make a 12 equal part. Let me say start here. 0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. I was scared I wasn't gonna have space, but now I have. So see, it's gonna be 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 11 10 9 8 7 and 6. Okay, just like that. Now you have to take your points to the apex. Every point that you just made, you're taking it to the apex. Every point that you just made here need to go to the apex. So here we're dealing with a cone. I said we must use a radial method. We're dealing with a cone here. I think I got them all. Okay, I started with 6 this side because of my point here. I name it 6, and that's where the shortest side is. Guess you all understand why I did that. So now we're gonna start here on this point. It's a 6. We come to our line of 6. It comes here. We have a dot here, and same here. We're gonna check here. This is our 6 here. This line goes here. You go with a line. We have a dot here. We need, now we're gonna need the what? We're gonna need 7 and 5. 7 and 5. From 6 we go to 7 and 5. That's how I labeled it. So now we're gonna come here. It's the next line here, and then we're going down as well. What you do on the top, you go do it here as well. Going down, we have it here. So it's this one here. 4 and 8 as well here. It's this line here. We're going down as well here. Is here. And 3 and 9. Yeah. 3. Remember here is 3. It's a line of 3. I have to do it both sides. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. 3. Okay, we have to come here. Yeah. Here's our 3. As well as 9. 9. What is that 3 again? Here. 3 and 9. As well as here. Let us go back to 6 again. Here we got the 6. What we do here, because of here we have 2 6. We have 6 here and 6 on this line. So where you see the line of 6, you have to mark it on both sides. Here we have 5 and 7. I only marked on the 7, on the 5. I didn't mark on the 7 here. The line of 7 goes here. The line of 4 and 8. Seven, yes, 5 and 7 here. So even here I have to mark it. It's right here. Which line is this? Is the second one. It's right here, and here's the line of 6. And I hope I didn't lose you guys, because now I'm trying to mark both sides, but I'll let you know what I did here. And 4 and 8 already here marked 4, and this line here I already marked it 4. Yeah, we have to come where we see 8 here, we mark 8 as well. This comes here. Now we want 8 on that side. It's a fat line, so we're gonna come here. Okay, now we're going where we were. Line of 3, we're done with that. Now we're going to 2 and 10. 2 here, you follow the line, is here, you make a mark. We come here as well. So here we made a 2, we made for a 2, we have to make for a 10 as well. Here is our 10, so 2 and 10, it's double number. What you do on this side, you have to do it on that side, because it is a 12 equal part. So now we still on the 2 and 10 on a small circle. Now we're coming here, we have to come and come and come. 2 and 10 is here on a big circle. Where is our 2? Here. 2 goes with 10, you just go again. Here you're gonna find your mark 10, 11 and 1. Here you go in with the line. Here you're gonna find your 11, and 1 is here as well. 1 on a small circle. Now we're going here on a big circle. Here we have 11 and 1 here. Go with this line. Here you find your 1, you make a mark. Go to the 11, you make a mark. 0. Now is the last point. Here on this last point, here is the last line. We go down as well. We only have 1 0, so you don't have to mark both sides. Here we have our 0. Let me see. Okay, here 0. So this thing is gonna go like, remember you have to use a flexi ruler here. Me, I'm just doing it by hand, guys. But to get marks, you have to use a ruler. This thing is gonna go like this. I hope everyone sees it. That's it. That's how it goes. Then you are done. That's all they needed you to do. I just hope everyone understand what I was doing here. If you don't understand, please comment. Tell me to where you didn't understand. I'm here for you. Thank you. Follow for more and subscribe.